As technology advances, a wide selection of cool gadgets beautify every home, changing people's lives. The gadgets aren't just pleasant, they also provide quick solutions to common problems. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll see some superb home gadgets 2022. Let's start with number 14, wireless LED light bulbs. With the intelligent Philips Hue LED lighting system, lighting at home has become more convenient. Say goodbye to the traditional on-off wall switch and hello to the modern smart lighting system that can be controlled via your smartphone. The lighting system is controlled by a mobile app connected to a Wi-Fi bridge. You can control the lights remotely or schedule them to turn on and off using your phone or tablet. The high-quality, energy-saving LED lights are ideal for use in homes and offices. Number 13. Smart Faucet. This water-saving faucet can save up to 15,000 gallons per unit per year. With this innovative technology, you can save water and contribute to the conservation of water resources. It also saves energy thanks to its intelligent design. You may lower your carbon footprint by conserving water and energy. Because there is no need to touch the faucet valves, Smart Faucet is hygienic and contamination-free. It's ideal for kids, the elderly, and the disabled. It's a low-cost way to conserve water and protect our ecosystem. Number 12. Solar-powered path lights. Solar-powered LED path lights are an excellent eco-friendly option for your yard. They are solar-powered and do not require any wiring or electricity. With this smart technology that uses solar energy to brighten your garden, you can preserve energy and save money on your electricity bills. These lights turn on automatically at dusk and off in the morning. By installing these energy-efficient lights, you will never have to worry about a dark garden or patio while you are away from home. Number 11. ZWave wireless door and window sensor. ZWave's equipped devices that monitor your door and windows provide the ultimate in-home and workplace protection. It is a low-cost security system that warns you of any suspicious activities. With the use of smartphone apps, you can easily monitor your doors remotely. When any activity is identified, it sends a text message and an email to notify you. You can also check to see if all doors are closed from any location. Number 10. Thermal leak detector. Thermal leak detectors assist you in detecting leaks and repairing your home's insulation. They are an effective method of monitoring ducts, windows, and other vulnerable insulation areas. You can scan the area with the detector, which turns red in hot spots and blue in cold spots. By improving the insulation in your home, you can save up to 20% on your heating and cooling bills. You can also use the thermal leak detectors to check the efficiency of your refrigerators, freezers, and automobile cooling system. You will be amazed to find the number of leaks in your home with the smart gadget. Number 9. Shower meter. Emperor 1 is a self-powered energy and water meter for your shower that helps conserve resources. You can conveniently save 440 kilowatt-hour of energy and 8,500 liters of water every year with this smart device. The device operates without the use of a battery or electricity. It is truly energy efficient because it is charged by the energy generated by water flow. It shows the water temperature, volume of water used, and a climate animation in real time. This device is simple to install because it does not require any tools. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, number 8. Smart Body Analyzer. The Withings Smart Body Analyzer is a comprehensive health monitoring scale. Despite the fact that it appears to be a regular weighing scale, it provides detailed health data. Along with your weight, it measures your body fat percentage, heart rate, and room air quality. A mobile app can be used to sync the data with a server. Setting objectives and tracking your progress is simple. The app may display graphs of air quality and prompt you to clean the room as needed. It is a holistic health scale that assists you in taking care of your body. Number 7. Reusable dryer ball. With these reusable dryer balls for your machine, you can soften your clothing while cutting drying time by 25%. They are a natural solution to keep your clothing supple without the use of chemicals. Dryer balls tumble with your clothes as the machine spins, separating the fabric. They allow air to circulate freely, resulting in a faster drying. Dryer balls are created from recyclable plastic and are safe to use with all types of materials. Number 6. Motion Sensor Power Strip. This smart power strip helps conserve electricity by detecting motion in the surrounding area. 4 outlets instantly turn off if it does not detect body motion for 30 minutes in an adjoining zone of 20 feet. It also has 3 always-on outlets that stay turned on regardless of movement. This feature enables essential equipment such as a router to be left on. You can save energy by turning off peripheral devices if they are not in use with this smart technology. It is ideal for networking devices and gaming consoles. Number 5. LG ThinQ Refrigerator. ThinQ is a supercapacity 3-door fridge with an 8-inch Wi-Fi LCD screen. It has an eye-catching design with storage options such as Glide and Serve drawer. The touchscreen monitor communicates with the smartphone app. It functions as both a controller and an information server. It allows you to keep track of all perishable food. In addition to these details, the refrigerator's energy consumption is available. It has several softwares such as Food Manager and Grocery app that allow you to create a shopping list based on what's in stock. Number 4. Robot Vacuum Cleaners. EcoVacs, a pioneer in the field of engineering robotic vacuum cleaners, offers a variety of D-Bot that make floor cleaning and vacuuming easier. D77, the most recent D-Bot, is a 3-dimensional home cleaning solution with smart technology to detect and navigate obstacles. It is capable of automatically emptying its dustbin. It has several cleaning modes for various types of flooring. With its clever time scheduling feature, you can schedule it to clean your floors even when you are not at home. This clever gizmo will alleviate your cleaning difficulties. Number 3. Eco Dish Cleaner. The Eco Cleaner cleans dishes by ionizing the food particles with ultrasonic vibrations. This revolutionary technique converts food waste from plates into reusable plant compost. It is an environmentally friendly device that creates healthy soil for your plants from food waste. The Electrolux Eco Cleaner is a small and portable appliance that will change the way your family eats. With this device, you will be able to satisfy the demands of modern life. It charges the battery with solar technology, making it easily sustainable for an urban lifestyle. Number 2. One Bowl Utensil. One bowl is a piece of kitchenware that makes it simple to boil pasta or noodles. Traditional bowls require you to boil the pasta in a separate bowl and drain the water with a sieve. One bowl includes a built-in strainer, making cooking, straining, and eating easier. By turning the handle, you may drain the water from the bottom of the hybrid design. When removing hot pasta from the cooking bowl, you will no longer burn your fingers. It also features a cover that can be used to keep food. Number 1. Air Purifier. Ecom Gear is a small device that purifies the air and helps to maintain proper humidity levels in the room. It also has an aroma diffusion function that eliminates aromas in the space. It comes with a USB cable and is incredibly portable. It may be used in cars, the house, or the business. It uses less energy and consumes less electricity. A detachable tank makes refilling simple. It is a great home or office lifestyle gadget that regulates humidity and circulates high-quality air. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which gadgets would you like to have at home? Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.